You've been having a lot of these community forums around the state, in particular in relation to ambulance ramping, and we know ambulance ramping is the worst in the country. And Peter Malinauskas in South Australia was elected off the back of poor ramping numbers in that state. What have you learnt thus far, and how are you going to fix it? Because at the moment, Queensland Health are clueless.
Peter, I'll identify the problem and then I'll tell the solution, and that's why we've done these town halls. We've done 26 of them, and at every one, brave whistleblowers, Queensland Health insiders coming forward, telling the problems, putting forward their solutions. You're right, Queensland's ambulance ramping is the worst in the nation. Now, the government will always say, oh, there's problems everywhere. Well, nowhere has ambulance ramping at 45%. That's what it is in Queensland. At one of our hospitals, it's 73%. We've never seen that figure at any hospital. That's 3 in 4 people who turn up wait longer than clinically recommended at the end of the ramp, and that means there's a Queenslander at the other end of the phone line who doesn't get treatment. We've put forward 4 solutions, and one of them, sure, takes money, and that's better resources, more beds. But there's 3 things the government could do immediately that would help heal the health crisis. Better triaging, sharing data in real time, but above all, putting doctors and nurses back in charge. And there has been this cultural shift away from the frontline health staff back into the administration, the old, let's control, centralise and control, and it doesn't work. There are solutions on the table. You've just got to get the frontline people to have their say. And I'm determined to fix it, Peter, because when this government came to power, ambulance ramping was at 15%. It had halved under the LNP. It's now tripled. It had already doubled before COVID, and all the finger pointing, all the blame game, it's not going to fix it. Accountability, responsibility, targets is the way that you fix problems.